Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. And if you are new here, I'm Ashley. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I use Fenty Hair products. I will be giving you an honest review and an honest opinion about these products. Also, this is not a PR video or this is a non-sponsored video. I didn't receive a PR box. I actually bought the products with my own money. I will be using these products multiple times to give you a good, honest review later on. But in this video, I'm going to give you my first thoughts, my initial thoughts about the products. And then later on, after using it a couple of times, I'm going to give you my full review and honest opinion about the products. So if that's something you're interested in and you like my hairstyle and you want to see what products I use to do this hairstyle, please stay tuned and watch the full video. But before we get started, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm sorry, not like and subscribe, but subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video. Drop down in the comments and let me know what you think. Will you be trying Fenty products? Have you tried Fenty products? If so, let me know in the comments. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. So this is my hair before I shampoo it. As you can see, it's very dry. It has a lot of product buildup on it. And you may can't see it on the camera, but when I shake my hair, flakes and stuff is coming out. So let's get ready to shampoo my hair. So here we have Fenty's Hair shampoo, which is called the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo. I noticed that this is Fenty's only shampoo in the line, and I noticed that it's not a cleansing shampoo. So this will be my first shampoo, and I had to use 3 pumps. On my second shampoo, I used 1 pump because I'm a girl that likes a lot of soap and suds on my first shampoo. That's why I used 3 pumps. And I also noticed that this shampoo definitely cleansed my hair, but nothing stood out to me versus the other competitors that's on the market right now. I think what would stand out would probably be the ingredients in the shampoo. Like Rihanna talks about the Replenicor 5, I hope I said that right, which is to repair split ends and reduce breakage. But other than that, it felt like any other cleansing shampoo. Not cleansing shampoo, I'm sorry. Hydrating or moisturizing shampoo. Here we have the Ritual One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. Right off back, I noticed that this conditioner is thick, but not as thick as Sacred's Deep Conditioner. Now hold on, I'm not trying to do a Rihanna versus Beyonce or Fenty versus Sacred. I'm just trying to use Sacred's Deep Conditioner as a reference when I refer to as thick. Because when I hold Sacred's conditioner, deep conditioner upside down, it doesn't come out the container. If I try to hold, if I try to hold Fenty's deep conditioner upside down, it starts to run out. So, but it's thick, and you can see that it does moisture or hydrates my hair. It made my hair feel soft. It definitely helped with the detangling process, and the brush definitely glides through my hair. So the conditioner definitely has great slip, and I will be continuing to use this conditioner because I like it just right off the initial use of it. Here you see my hair after I rinsed out the conditioner. You can see that my curls are trying to pop and that it does have a little bit of shine to it, but I think if I continue to use the deep conditioner, my curls will pop even more. Here we have the Comeback Kit Instant Damage Repair Treatment Bond Builder. This is a hair treatment that mends damaged bonds that cause split ends, prevent future breakage, and instantly strengthens the hair. I'm using this as a leave-in, although you can use it as a rinse out. Only thing I noticed that it does make my hair soft once I put it on there, but I'm not noticing any split ends, treatments, or anything like that because I think you have to cut your split ends in order to get rid of your split ends. But I'm going to continue to use the product to see if I see any changes within my hair. Here we have the HOMECURL Curl Defining Cream. Now, if you've been following my channel, you know that I am not a cream girly. I'm more of a custard. But Fenty does not have a custard product in this line. So I am trying the curl cream. Now, this curl cream definitely softens my hair. It did not crunch. It did not flake. And it also gave good definition when I did the 2-strand twist. So right now I'm like, okay, this curl cream might be the one. However, there were certain spots in my head that lost it curl definition. I cannot talk today, but I'm still going to use this curl definition in the future. Also, as I'm recording this voiceover, it's day 2 of this hairstyle and I still have curl definition. However, I want to see how my hair holds up or how it looks on day 3, 4, and 5. And I'll let you guys know how my hair does with this curl cream. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, this will be a good time to go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss that video. Also on this video, go ahead and like the video. Share this video, comment. Now look at the curl definition that the curl cream gave. It definitely gave some definition. Y'all see it. Here we have the controlling type hair thickening edge control gel. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This edge control is not gonna be my top fave. And I'm gonna tell you why. I normally use the Ebin 24-hour edge tamer, and that lays my edges down. Now I'm not a baby hair girly, so I don't have baby hairs. I just normally slick my hairs back, but that 24-hour edge tamer lays it down all day and does not flake. Now this Fenty Hair edge gel, it doesn't flake, but it lays my edges down, but not all day. And that's what I'm looking for, some edge control that can lay my hair down all day and not flake and not be greasy. Now Fenty Hair edge control, it's not flaky, it's not greasy. It lays my hair down initially, but it doesn't last all day. And that's the only thing I have a problem with the edge control. Other than that, it may be good for people that lay their edges down. I wouldn't know because I don't do that. But anyway, also let me know if you guys have tried Fenty Hair or will you be trying Fenty Hair. Drop down in the comments and let me know. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, like the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.